Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Instagram account if you have forgotten your password. Do watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to successfully recover your account. Open your Instagram login page in any of your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Enter your phone number, your username or your email. Click on forgot password because you have already forgotten your password and you're trying to log in. Click on forgot password. Now enter your username or email or your phone number here to recover your account. I'm using my username. We're simply doing this to find my account. I'm not a robot. Then tap on next. So it says they will send the link of my account in this email that I have access to account. Click on OK. Then open your Gmail. Here you can see Instagram has sent a link to my account. Tap on that message. Then you can directly log in to your account or reset your password, then log in. I'd like to reset my password. Create my new password. Then after you have entered your password or you have created a password, simply click on reset password. Then exit your Gmail and go back to your Instagram login page. Then enter your email ID and enter the password that you have just created. Now you have logged into your Instagram account successfully. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.